Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, Early Childhood Education. 1 to 4 questions are to find out the paragraph from which these statements are taken. First is, details of the range of family types involved in an education program. Range of family types आपको D paragraph में मिलेगी. D paragraph के next page पर, they included single parent and two parent families, families with both parents worked and families with either the mother or father at home. Next question is, reasons why a child's early years are so important. बच्चों के शुरुआत के years important क्यों होते हैं? ये आपको B paragraph में मिलेगा. Researchers claim that the human personality is formed during the first 2 years of life, and during the first 3 years children learn the basic skills they will use in all their later learning both at home and at school. Next question is, reasons why an education program failed. Education program fail क्यों हुआ? इसका आंसर आपको C paragraph में मिलेगा. Despite substantial funding, results have been disappointing. It is thought that there are two explanations for this. First, the program began too late. Many children who entered it at the age of 3 were already behind their peers in language and measurable intelligence. Second, the parents were not involved. Next question is, a description of the positive outcome of an education program. Education program का positive results बताया गया है, E paragraph में. The results were phenomenal. By the age of 3, the children in the program were significantly more advanced in language development than their peers. Next 5 to 10 questions are, to characterizing the given statements in the program like Head Start program, Mazuri program, or both programs, or neither the Head Start nor the Mazuri program. First question is, was administered to a variety of poor and wealthy families. इसका आंसर B है. इस प्रोग्राम में काफ़ी सारी rich and poor families को administered किया गया. इसका आंसर है, Mazuri program. The Mazuri program was predicated on research showing that working with the family, rather than bypassing the parents, is the most effective way of helping children get off to the best possible start in life. The 4-year pilot study include 1380 families who were about to have their first child and who represented a cross-section of socio-economic status, age and family configuration. तो socio-economic status से इसका आंसर लिया गया है. नेक्स्ट आंसर डी है, मतलब दोनों में से किसी भी प्रोग्राम की ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डिड नॉट सक्सीड इन इट्स एम. ये प्रोग्राम अपने मकसद में सफल नहीं हो पाया. इसका आंसर ए है, हेड स्टार्ट प्रोग्राम. In an attempt to overcome that educational underachievement, a nationwide program called Head Start was launched in the United States in 1965. A lot of money was poured into it. It took children into preschool institutions at the age of 3 and supposed to help the children of poorer families succeed in school. Despite substantial funding, results have been disappointing. Next question is, supplied many forms of support and training to parents. इस प्रोग्राम ने फैमिलीज को काफ़ी तरह के सपोर्ट दिए. इसका आंसर है बी, मजूरी प्रोग्राम. मजूरी प्रोग्राम की बात डी पैराग्राफ में है. उसी के नेक्स्ट पेज का सेकंड पैराग्राफ, information on child development and guidance on things to look for and expect as the child grows were provided, plus guidance in fostering the child's intellectual, language, social and motor skill development. Next question is also neither from Head Start nor from Mazuri. Next question is, was designed to improve preschoolers' educational development. Preschoolers की educational development के लिए था. इसका आंसर सी है, मतलब दोनों ही programs. Head Start program की बात C paragraph में है. It took children into preschool institutions. Mazuri program की बात E paragraph में है. At the age of 3, the children who had been involved in the Mazuri program. 3 age मतलब preschoolers. Next 11 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, most Mazuri program 3 years old scored highly in areas such as listening, speaking, reasoning and interacting with others. ज़्यादातर मजूरी प्रोग्राम के बच्चों ने लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीजनिंग एंड इंटरैक्टिंग विद अदर्स में ज़्यादा स्कोर किया. ई पैराग्राफ में है इसका आंसर. In fact, the average child on the program was performing at the level of the top 15 to 20% of their peers in such things as auditory comprehension, verbal ability and language ability. तो इसका आंसर ट्रू होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मजूरी प्रोग्राम चिल्ड्रन ऑफ यंग अनएडुकेटेड सिंगल पेरेंट्स स्कोर्ड लेस हाईली ऑन द टेस्ट्स। मजूरी प्रोग्राम में जो बच्चे यंग अनएडुकेटेड एंड सिंगल पेरेंट्स के थे उन्होंने अच्छा स्कोर नहीं किया। इसका आंसर भी पैराग्राफ में है। एट द एज ऑफ 3, the children who had been involved in Mazuri program were evaluated alongside a cross-section of children selected from the same range of socio-economic backgrounds and family situations, and also a random sample of children that age. The results were phenomenal. तो यहाँ पे फैमिली टाइप सेम ली गई है, तो कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं दिया गया है, इसलिए इसका आंसर फॉल्स होगा। Next to that question is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.